Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some culinary techniques trivia. What technique involves cooking food in water at a low temperature? A. Microwaving food, or B. Deep frying, or C. Boiling water, or D. Sous vide. The correct answer is D. Sous vide. What method uses heat transfer from hot air? A. Baking, or B. Roasting, or C. Boiling, or D. Steaming. The correct answer is A. Baking. What is the process of cooking food on a grill called? A. Grilling or roasting, or C. Barbecuing, or D. Searing. The correct answer is A. Grilling. What culinary technique involves immersing food in hot fat? A. Frying, or B. Baking bread, or C. Boiling water, or D. Steaming vegetables. The correct answer is A. Frying. What is it called when food is cooked in a sealed pot? A. Pressure cooking, or B. Grilling method, or C. Slow cooking, or D. Steaming food. The correct answer is A. Pressure cooking. What technique involves cooking quickly over high heat with a small amount of fat? A. Braising, or B. Steaming, or C. Sautéing, or D. Boiling. The correct answer is C. Sautéing. What method uses steam to cook food? A. Roasting, or B. Steaming, or C. Freezing, or D. Boiling. The correct answer is B. Steaming. What is the name for gently cooking food in a liquid? A. Poaching or roasting, or C. Grilling, or D. Steaming. The correct answer is A. Poaching. What culinary method involves seasoning and marinating? A. Brining, or B. Grilling, or C. Baking, or D. Poaching. The correct answer is A. Brining. What technique involves cooking meat at a low temperature for a long time? A. Roasting, or B. Sous vide, or C. Grilling, or D. Slow cooking. The correct answer is D. Slow cooking. What is the method of mixing fat and flour called? A. Folding mix, or B. Creaming method, or C. Rubbing in, or D. Blending technique. The correct answer is C. Rubbing in. What cooking technique uses caramelized sugar? A. Frying, or B. Steaming, or C. Caramelization, or D. Boiling. The correct answer is C. Caramelization. What term describes the process of breaking down fibrous foods? A. Emulsification, or blending, or C. Maceration, or D. Fermentation. The correct answer is C. Maceration. What technique combines cooking in a dry heat and then liquid? A. Steaming, or B. Baking, or C. Braising, or D. Grilling. The correct answer is C. Braising. What cooking method uses indirect heat? A. Frying, or B. Broiling, or C. Roasting, or D. Steaming. The correct answer is C. Roasting. What is the process of heating milk to eliminate bacteria? A. Fermentation process, or B. Pasteurization, or C. Homogenization, or D. Boiling water. The correct answer is B. Pasteurization. What method is used to enhance flavors through evaporation? Fermentation, or B. Reduction, or C. Roasting, or D. Infusion. The correct answer is B. Reduction. What technique involves slicing meat against the grain? A. Chopping meat, or B. Dicing fish, or C. Shredding chicken, or D. Slicing. The correct answer is D, slicing. What cooking style mixes various techniques together? A, fusion cooking, or B, traditional baking, or C, slow roasting, or D, regional cuisine. The correct answer is A, fusion cooking. What term refers to soaking foods in liquid to soften? A, braising or marinating, or C, boiling or de-steeping. The correct answer is D, steeping. What technique involves cutting vegetables into uniform sizes? A, mise en place, or B, sautéing or chiffonade, or D, julienne. The correct answer is A, mise en place. What is the name for preparing food with minimal ingredients? A, quick dish assembly, or B, basic meal prep, or C, minimalist cuisine, or D, simple cooking. The correct answer is D, simple cooking. What method involves quick cooking in boiling water? A, poaching, or B, grilling, or C, or D, steaming. The correct answer is C, blanching. What technique involves wrapping food and cooking it in a wet medium? A, grilling, or B, en papillote, or C, deep frying, or D, sous vide. The correct answer is B, en papillote. What process enhances taste by analyzing flavors? A, aroma analysis, or B, flavor profiling, or C, flavor synthesis, or D, taste testing. The correct answer is B, flavor profiling. What technique preserves food using vinegar? A, pickling, or B, freezing, or C, canning, or D, fermenting. The correct answer is A, pickling. What is the name for drying food over time? A, evaporation, or B, desiccation, or C, dehydration, or D, perspiration. The correct answer is C, dehydration. What technique involves cleaning seafood? A, shucking, or B, filleting fish, or C, boiling crabs, or D, grilling shrimp. The correct answer is A, shucking. What term is used for the correct sequence of cooking? A, recipe order, or B, procedure, or C, workflow, or D, cooking steps. The correct answer is C, workflow. What method involves using high heat to create char? A, smoking, or B, boiling, or C, sealing, or D, charring. The correct answer is charring. What technique uses flavorful stock to cook grains? A, cooking in stock, or B, steaming vegetables, or C, boiling in water, or D, baking with broth. The correct answer is A, cooking in stock. What is the process of melting chocolate and combining with cream? A, mousse mixture, or B, ganache, or C, chocolate sauce, or D, cream frosting. The correct answer is B, ganache. What method is used to create an emulsion? A, boiling, or B, chilling, or C, stirring, or D, whisking. The correct answer is D, whisking. What technique involves layering flavors in soups? A, quick boiling, or B, tomato reduction, or C, building layers, or D, cold emulsification. The correct answer is C, building layers. What culinary process focuses on artistic food presentation? A, plating or baking techniques, or C, food preservation, or D, garnishing. The correct answer is A, plating. What technique involves grinding spices, boiling water, or B, crushing herbs, or C, sautéing vegetables, or D, milling? The correct answer is D, milling. What cooking style uses traditional techniques from Asia? A, American barbecue, or B, European cuisine, or C, Asian gastronomy, or D, Mediterranean diet? The correct answer is C, Asian gastronomy. What term refers to the smoking of meats? A, fire grilling, or B, hot seasoning, or C, cold smoking, or D, meat curing? The correct answer is C, cold smoking. What method allows food to rest in order to reabsorb juices? A, marinating, or B, resting, or C, drying, or D, cooking? The correct answer is B, resting. What technique blends various ingredients into a paste? A, chopping or blending, or C, mixing, or D, pureeing? The correct answer is pureeing. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.